getting situated abroad. We are finding a combination abroad. So people ask me, Riley, how do you find where to live? How do you find condos, apartments? So kick back, get a drink, and allow me to lecture a little bit on my overall philosophy of how I do it. Big picture, it's not complicated. It's more easy than it's ever been, actually, to find places because of the internet. So overview is I frequently will book a couple nights online. Lately I've been using booking.com in an area that I think is popular. And then after I check out the area for a couple days and I want to commit to that area, that street, whatever, or that condo or room or whatever it may be, hotel, then I extend. So yes, Tim Ferriss talks about this in the 4-Hour Work Week. Do a trial run before you book a month. So book just a couple nights before you commit to booking a month. But I've been using booking.com, and the internet makes it very easy to find somewhere in your budget. As far as what neighborhoods to stay, just look on the blogs or in my travel guides on the popular areas to stay for digital nomads. For example, in Chiang Mai, it's Niman area. Bangkok, it's Annut area. Bali is obviously Canggu. Anywhere in Canggu is great. Okay, so I'll go over 2 different methods for finding accommodation. There's the online method, just look online and find a place there. And there's the local method, condo hunting, so physically driving around and going to different places. The online method is, of course, we have booking.com, agoda.com, airbnb.com, expedia.com. All of those are great. I've used all of those. Most recently, I've been using booking.com. It's pretty easy, but they're all pretty easy, and they all have full homes. So not just Airbnb has the full villas, the full homes, but now all these sites do. They're all competing with Airbnb now. So yeah, check all those out. So that's the online method. It's pretty simple. Book a couple nights at first just to check it out. Then if you like it, book a month. And the thing I do like about this is Airbnb, you can, and on these online sites, there's no 3-month contract, there's no 6-month, there's no 12-month. So a lot of condos and a lot of places do require 3-month minimum contract. I like to avoid that, which is a pro about the online method. And then the local method is condo hunting, so literally driving around. So this could be better for you if you're looking to totally bootstrap, find the cheapest place, like the $100 a month places in Chiang Mai, the $200 a month places in Chiang Mai. So in Chiang Mai, they have chiangmaibuddy.com. That's more for medium range priced condos and apartment buildings, like 200, 300, 400, 500, but they have a big list of condos there. And also just do Googling, you know, Google is the best thing. So no matter what city you're going to, just Google, you know, frickin', I don't care where you're going, frickin' London condo finding, or Hong Kong condo finding, or Hong Kong condos, whatever. Look there, do your research. And then, of course, there's walking around looking for local condos and signs for room for rent, because frequently the down, dirtiest, cheapest places are not going to be online. They're going to be local family-owned buildings, family-owned apartments. They're not going to be advertised online. What I did last April in Chiang Mai is I stayed at a hostel actually for a couple nights. Maybe it was just one night at someone's hostel that I knew, a girl that trains at Muay Thai. I just went and stayed at her hostel, and I rented a motorbike, and I cruised around to 6 different condos / apartment buildings and see if they had availability. I did that in one day, one afternoon. 4 of them were full, and so I choose the best available one. It's called Green Place. It's right behind Maya Mall. I do recommend that. It's around $300 to $400 per month, depending on the season and which room size you get. Do recommend that. Chiang Mai, I also recommend, I'll just say, I've stayed in Hoikau Residence, which is around $250 a month there is a condo that's down dirt cheap in Chiang Mai called the Siri, S-I-R-I, and it's right next to Corner Bistro. If you want to find it, or if you can't find it, let me know, but you have to walk in and book it. And it's also very close to Khao Soi Mae Sai. But anyway, more details on all of the specific city living situations in the specific city guides. Let's get back to the overall philosophy. So if you're condo hunting in any city, it may be advantageous to get a local to help you. Also, Upwork and freelance sites do have freelancer travel agents that can do research for you, do all this research for you and find condos based on your criteria. You can search for a local real estate agent and hit them up, be texting them on WhatsApp or whatever, and they can find condos for you. Also, you could go to a local real estate office, walk in and say, hey, I'm looking for this price range, whatever. Also, something I found recently is Showaround is an app where a local will show you around the city. So I had this idea, maybe you send a proposal on Showaround, hey, would you come tour me around the city and help me go condo hunting? So I don't know, it's just an idea after I'm throwing out there. Maybe they'd be down with that. You pay them like per hour. I've done that for tours, but not for this apartment hunting thing. But I don't know, try it out. Because having a local with you, not only do they know the area, but they obviously speak the local language. So if it's a mom and pop owned building, they'll speak the language, be able to, sometimes there's like room for rent and it'll just be like a phone number. So you gotta call the number and they can call for you and speak the local language and see if you can get that room for rent. Yeah, but that's my overall philosophy. It's easier than ever with these online sites to find something in your budget. It comes down to your budget. So I can't say, yo, stay here, stay there, stay there. What budget are you looking for? All right, up to you. But overall, it's not a big deal. Don't sweat it. For example, tomorrow, I have to move out of this villa because our villa is up. I have to find a place to live tomorrow. I haven't done it yet. So either tonight or even like right when I check out, I'll just whip open the laptop, go to a cafe, or even just do it right there and look on booking.com real quick, find a hotel or condo or something, whatever that's in my price range, just book it for like 1 or 2 nights, show up there and check in. It's easier than ever. I frequently book last minute, so if you booked your flight, don't worry about it. You can show up in Chiang Mai or whatever, nothing booked. It just takes getting on your laptop, looking around, okay, looking at the pictures, doing your little bit of research, where do I want to stay? And then, yeah, in Chiang Mai, I already gave you my recommendations on different price ranges. And if you have plenty budget, then go on Airbnb and stuff. There's plenty of sick places to stay. All around the world, it's easier than ever. That's the philosophy. What are your tips, tricks? Let me know in the comments and I will add them to this. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Kratindang. Yo bros, so this video was from my Digital Nomad Beginner's Guide, starter kit, if you will. So check out the link somewhere around here. 30 more videos plus a long PDF of videos just like this. So if you're one of the guys that hits me up, Riley, I want to live this life, I want to be a digital nomad, live this freedom life, but I have no idea where to even fucking start. I've put this guide together over the years for you, outlining all the most popular business models that I and my friends do to earn income online, the mindsets you should have, side hustle hacking, and a bonus section as well on a transitioning from regular career / life to a location independent / international digital nomad life. So if that's you, check out the Beginner's Guide, a bunch of videos and a PDF breaking it all down for you. And yeah, hope to see you guys out here. Peace.